Hello, I'm Shanti Francis, one of the maths tutors at ClassRx. ClassRx is an online, one-to-one, STEM-focused private tutoring company. I have a degree in maths, and for the past 14 years I have been a maths tutor. For the past 5 years I've been the main maths tutor at a secondary school. I teach maths from Year 6 to GCSEs. In the next few minutes, I will go through how to find the factors of a number. This is an important topic in number for Key Stage 2 and is built upon going forward to Key Stage 3 and 4. So let's look at finding factors of a number. So let's think about what that word means. What does factors mean? So factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number. Let's look at an example together. What are the factors of 12? So factors are numbers that will divide exactly into 12. I'm going to use a little ladybird to help me lay out the factors of 12. So here's my ladybird. It's got a 12 on it, and I'm thinking of all the numbers that I can times together to give me 12. So straight away, I remember that 1 times 12 gives me 12. They are both factors of 12. I can also remember that 2 times 6 gives me 12. So there's another pair of factors. And lastly, I remember that 3 times 4 also gives me 12. The next number to try, so here I've tried 1, 2, 3 on this side. The next number to try would be 4, but as I've got 4 already, that's when I know when to stop. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So let's look at a worked stats question together. So this is something you might get at the end of Year 6 stats. And the question says, write all the factors of 30 which are also factors of 20. So I'm going to use our little bug to help us again. So let's write down the factors of 30. So always start with 1. 1 times 30 gives us 30. Next, let's try 2. 2's do go into 30. 2 times 15 is 30. Then we'll go on to 3. 3 times 10 gives us 30. When we try 4, 4's don't actually go into 30. 30 is not in the 4 times table. So we don't do 4. We go on to 5. 5's do go into 30. 5 times 6 makes 30. And let's do the same, but for the number 20. So again, start with 1. 1 times 20 gives us 20. Again, 2 goes into 20. 2 times 10 gives us 20. 3's don't go into 20, so then I go on to 4. 4 times 5 gives me 20. And then the next number to try would be 5, but I have 5 already, so I stop. Okay, so the question says which factors of 30 are also factors of 20. So we're seeing which ones are the same. The ones that are the same are 1, 2, 2, 5 and 10. Because on this side I also have a 1, a 2, a 5 and a 10. So that's what I would be writing on the answer line. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to contact us or have any more questions, please visit www.classrx.com or drop us a line at hello@classrx.com mentioning my name, Mrs. Francis, in the subject line.